New Mexico MVD motorcycle practice test. Question: which of the following increases safety when riding at night? A. All these answers are correct. B. Use the lights of the car ahead to help you see. C. Reduce your speed. D. Increase your following distance.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. Reducing your speed, increasing your following distance, and using the headlights of the car ahead of you to help you see all increase your safety when riding at night. Question 2. Riding alongside a car can be dangerous because A. Objects may be thrown out the window. B. You may be riding in a blind spot. C. You could be hit by an extended side mirror. D. Any of these could happen.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. Riding alongside a car can be dangerous because you may be riding in a blind spot. Objects could be thrown from a window and hit you, or you could collide with an extended side mirror. Question 3. Which surface provides less traction than normal road conditions? A. Uneven surfaces. B. Wet pavement. C. Metal gratings. D. All of these.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. You are more likely to fall when riding on wet pavement, metal gratings, or uneven surfaces because they do not provide as much traction. Question 4. When passing another vehicle. A. Ride in the highest gear. B. Turn on your hazard lights. C. You must not exceed the speed limit. D. Ride close to the edge of the road.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. When passing another vehicle, you must not exceed the speed limit. Question 5. When riding, your clothing should be protective and A. Loose-fitting. B. Completely cover your arms and legs. C. Made of an approved material. D. Tight-fitting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. When riding, your clothing should be protective and cover your arms and legs completely. This is very important in case of a collision. Question 6. When you check your tires, what are you checking for? A. Cuts and scrapes. B. Tread wear. C. Tire pressure. D. All of these.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. When you check your tires, you are checking for tread wear, tire pressure, and any cracks or scrapes that could cause a tire to blow. Question 7. Help stabilize your motorcycle in a turn by A. Increasing the throttle. B. Pulling in the clutch. C. Decreasing the throttle. D. Applying the rear brake.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. To help stabilize the motorcycle in a turn, you should increase the throttle when turning. Question 8. Your motorcycle fits you if A. Both of your feet can reach the ground while you are seated. B. You can reach the handle grips. C. You can reach the foot pegs. D. You can do all of the above.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. Your motorcycle fits you if both of your feet can reach the ground while you are seated and you can reach the handle grips and the foot pegs. Question 9. If your motorcycle starts to wobble, you should A. Close the throttle slowly. B. Apply the front brake only. C. Apply the rear brake only. D. Open the throttle slowly.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. If your motorcycle starts to wobble, you should close the throttle slowly. Never try to accelerate out of a wobble. Question 10. When passing another vehicle, you should A. Move as far left as possible. B. Make eye contact with the driver. C. Begin your pass from the center lane position. D. Move quickly through the driver's blind spot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. When passing another vehicle, you should move quickly through the driver's blind spot. Question 11. When riding in a group, when should you ride single file? A. On long stretches of road. B. At all times. C. In rural areas. D. When entering a highway.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. When riding in a group, you should ride single file when entering or exiting a highway, as well as when going around curves. Question 12. When approaching a turn, when should you reduce your speed? A. During the turn. B. Before the turn. C. After the turn. D. At any of these times.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. It is safest to reduce your speed before you enter a turn. Question 13. Fill in the blank. Following distance is the minimum space cushion for safe riding. A. 1 second. B. 5 second. C. 2 second. D. 4 second.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. A. 2 second. Following distance is the minimum space cushion for safe riding. Question 14. Which of the following statements about crossing an intersection is true? A. Always count on eye contact as a sign that a driver will yield. B. Select a lane position that will most increase your visibility to other drivers. C. Increase your speed as you approach an intersection. D. Always ride with your headlight off.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. Reduce your speed as you approach an intersection. Increase your chances of being seen at the intersection. Ride with your headlight on in a lane position that provides the best view of oncoming traffic. Never count on eye contact as a sign that a driver will yield. Question 15. A hazardous place for motorcycles to travel is A. On rural roads. B. On freeways. C. In school zones. D. At intersections.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. A hazardous place for motorcycles to travel is at intersections because many cars are doing different things and may not see the motorcycle. Question 16. Drivers in other vehicles present a particular hazard when A. You are riding through a school zone. B. You are passing a row of parked cars. C. You are making a right turn. D. You are parking your motorcycle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. Other drivers present a particular hazard when you are passing a row of parked cars because they may not see you. Question 17. When choosing a lane position, the best position. A is the one where you are most likely to be seen. B is the left of the lane position. C is the center of the lane position. D is the right of the lane position.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. The best lane position is the lane position where you are most likely to be seen. Question 18. To help absorb the shock of riding over large obstacles, you should A. Pull in the clutch. B. Apply the front brake. C. Lift yourself slightly off the seat. D. Increase the throttle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. To help absorb the shock of riding over large obstacles, you should lift yourself off the seat and use your knees and elbows to help absorb the shock. Question 19. When riding through a turn, you should turn A. Your head and shoulders. B. Your head only. C. Your whole upper body. D. All of the above.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. When riding through a turn, move your head only. Moving your shoulders or upper body may turn the motorcycle more than you want to. Question 20. If your front wheel locks, your best course of action is to A. Use the rear brake only. B. Continue applying the brake. C. Release the brake and reapply it smoothly. D. Release the rear brake only.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. If your front wheel locks, your best course of action is to release the brake and reapply it smoothly to regain control. Question 21. The X marked RR sign warns that A. You are approaching an intersection. B. You are approaching a railroad crossing. C. You are approaching a construction zone. D. You are approaching a dead end.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. This sign gives you an early warning of a railroad crossing ahead. Be prepared to stop before you get to the tracks if a train is approaching the crossing. Question 22. Before mounting the motorcycle, you should check A. The foot pegs and the gas level. B. The tires and the lights. C. The mirrors and the exhaust. D. The windshield and the kickstand.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. Before mounting the motorcycle, you should check the tires and the lights. Both must be in good working order before each journey because their failure could be extremely dangerous. Question 23. When you are riding at night, it is best to A. Ride slower than you do during the day. B. Wear a tinted face shield. C. Not use your headlight. D. Stay close behind the car in front of you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. When riding at night, It is best to ride slower than you do during the day so you can see hazards in advance and react quickly to the unexpected. Question 24. When is it important to use your side mirrors? A. Before changing lanes. B. Before you slow down. C. When you are stopped at an intersection. D. All of the above.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. Use your side mirrors before changing lanes, when stopped at an intersection, and before you slow down. Question 25. When you head check before changing lanes, you're checking A. The lane beside you and the far lane. B. Areas of vision blocked by your helmet. C. The size of the vehicles that are close to you. D. The traction of the road surface.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. When you head check before changing lanes, you're checking the lane beside you and the far lane to see if other vehicles are planning to move into the lane. Question 26. Convex side mirrors on motorcycles make cars seem A. Bigger than they are. B. Farther away than they are. C. Smaller than they are. D. Closer than they are.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. A. Motorcycles' convex side mirrors make cars seem farther away than they actually are. Question 27. You can maintain an adequate space cushion by A. Speeding up when approached by tailgaters. B. Adjusting your lane position as you ride. C. Beeping your horn at close drivers. D. Always riding in the center of the lane position.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. You can maintain an adequate space cushion by adjusting your lane position as you ride so that you are furthest away from the hazards. Question 28. In hot weather, what type of clothing should you wear while riding your motorcycle? A. Long pants and a t-shirt. B. Sturdy clothing that covers your arms and legs completely. C. Whatever feels most comfortable. D. Denim shorts and a leather jacket.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. Even in hot weather, you should wear sturdy clothing that covers your arms and legs completely. Your skin needs to be protected in the event of a crash. Question 29. All of the following are part of the upshifting process except A. Gently apply the front brake while adjusting the throttle. B. Lift the shift lever as far as it will go. C. Ease out of the clutch and adjust the throttle. D. Roll off the throttle as you squeeze the clutch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. The correct upshift procedure is to 1. Roll off the throttle as you squeeze the clutch, 2. Lift the shift lever as far as it will go, and 3. Ease out of the clutch and adjust the throttle. You do not need to apply the brake. Question 30. The best way to discourage another driver from trying to share the lane with you is to A. Ride in the center lane position. B. Beep your horn. C. Ride in the left lane position. D. Flash your brake light.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. The best way to discourage another driver from trying to share the lane with you is to ride in the center lane position. Question 31. When can a motorcycle park in a space reserved for the disabled? A. When equipped with vehicle plates for the disabled. B. When dropping off a passenger. C. When unloading only. D. When parking for 5 minutes or less.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. A motorcycle can park in a space reserved for the disabled only if it is equipped with vehicle plates for the disabled. Question 32. Which of the following is not true? A. Saddlebag should be filled with evenly distributed weight. B. Motorcycles do not have blind spots. C. The center of the lane position is safe to ride in. D. You must be in good physical condition to ride a motorcycle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. It is false to say that motorcycles do not have blind spots. Just like cars, motorcycles do have blind spots. Question 33. As you approach an obstacle that you will need to ride over, you should A. Slow down as much as possible. B. Come to a complete stop. C. Maintain the same speed. D. Increase your speed.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. As you approach an obstacle, you should slow down as much as possible. Question 34. Lower your chances of being involved in a collision by A. Wearing bright clothing. B. Identifying multiple hazards. C. Choosing an effective lane position. D. Doing all of the above.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. You can lower your chances of a collision by choosing an effective lane position, identifying multiple hazards, and wearing bright clothing so that you can be seen more easily. Question 35. All of the following affect your blood alcohol concentration except A. How fast you drink. B. Time of day. C. The amount of alcohol. D. Your weight.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. The time of day does not affect your blood alcohol concentration. Alcohol can affect your driving at any time. Question 36. Which lane position should you ride in when passing parked cars? A. The center. B. The left. C. The right or center. D. The right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. When passing parked cars, stay toward the left of your lane. You can avoid problems caused by doors opening, drivers getting out of cars, or people stepping from between cars. Question 37. In order for a passenger to ride your motorcycle, he or she must have their own A. Footrests. B. Footrests, seat, and helmet. C. Helmet. D. Seat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. In order for a passenger to ride your motorcycle, he or she must have their own footrests, seat, and helmet. Question 38. Before changing lanes on a multi-lane road, you should check A. Only the far lane. B. Only the lane next to you. C. The lane next to you and the far lane. D. Your signal light.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. Before changing lanes, you should check not only the lane next to you but the far lane as well. A car may also be merging into that lane. Question 39. When being passed on the left, it is best to A. Avoid the center of the lane. B. Ride on the shoulder of the road. C. Keep closer to the passing vehicle. D. Avoid the left lane position.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. When being passed, it is best to avoid the left lane position. You could be hit by an extended mirror or other hazards associated with the passing vehicle. Ride in the center of the lane. Question 40. What is the safest braking method? A. Using only the rear brake. B. Using only the front brake. C. Alternating between using the front brake and the rear brake. D. Using both front and rear brakes at the same time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. The safest and most efficient braking method is to use both front and rear brakes at the same time. Question 41. Which of the following is an OTA way to increase your visibility at night? A. Change your lane position. B. Wear reflective clothing. C. Increase your following distance. D. Use your low beam headlight.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. Using your low beam is not a way to increase your visibility at night. At night, you should use your high beam for best visibility. Question 42. In order to swerve properly, you must A. Brake before swerving. B. Brake after swerving. C. Brake before or after swerving. D. Brake while swerving.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. In order to swerve properly, you must brake before or after swerving. Do not brake while swerving. It can cause the motorcycle to skid. Question 43. For stopping or slowing down, the most effective method is to use A. The front brake only. B. Both the front and rear brakes. C. Engine braking only. D. The rear brake only.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. For stopping or slowing down, the most effective method is to use both the front and rear brakes. Question 44. When starting a motorcycle facing uphill, you should change to fill in the blank to hold the cycle while operating the throttle with the right hand. A. The foot brake. B. Either the hand brake or foot brake. C. Both brakes. D. The hand brake.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. It is more difficult to get the motorcycle moving on an upgrade than it is on flat ground. There is always a danger of rolling backward and into another vehicle. Remember these steps. 1. Use the front brake to hold the motorcycle while starting the engine and shifting into first gear. 2. Change to the foot brake to hold the motorcycle while operating the throttle with the right hand. 3. For more power, open the throttle a little bit. 4. Release the clutch gradually. The front wheel may come off the ground, or the engine may stop, or both. if it is released too quickly. 5. Release the foot brake when the engine begins to slow down and the motorcycle begins to move forward. Question 45. During normal turns. A. The rider should remain upright while leaning the motorcycle. B. The rider should lean the opposite direction of the motorcycle. C. The rider should lean with the motorcycle. D. Both rider and motorcycle should remain upright.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. During normal turns, the rider should lean with the motorcycle. In slow turns, the rider should remain upright while the motorcycle leans. Question 46. How many lane positions are available to a motorcycle in a single lane of traffic? A. 1. B. 4. C. 3. D. 2.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. There are 3 lane positions available to a motorcycle in a single lane of traffic. Question 47. Motorcycles should share lanes with cars when? A. It is never safe to share a lane with a car. B. Riding in a designated area only. C. Riding with other motorcycles. D. There is heavy traffic.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. Motorcycles should never share a lane with a car. Motorcycles require a full lane width. Question 48. A motorcycle is the right size for you if A. The seat is waist high. B. Both of your feet can reach the ground while you are seated. C. Your height and weight have been taken into account. D. You can reach the hand grips.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. A motorcycle is the right size for you if both of your feet can touch the ground while you are seated on it. Question 49. When following another vehicle, the fill in the blank of the lane position is the best for being seen. A. Left. B. Right. C. Center. D. Left or right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. When following another vehicle, the center of the lane position is the best for being seen. Question 50. The best way to carry cargo on a motorcycle is to A. Distribute the load evenly. B. Secure the load with elastic cords. C. Keep the load forward. D. Do all of these.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. Keep the load forward. Try to place the load over or in front of the rear axle. Mounting loads behind the rear axle can cause a wobble. Secure loads low, or put them in saddlebags. Attaching a load to a sissy bar raises the motorcycle's center of gravity and can cause a wobble.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.